Hello, fellow traders. It's Nutty Bar. It's time to do the recap. It's Friday. It's about it's 12:16. So, yeah, we have a green day on our 150K funded accounts, which are the only accounts I'm trading currently at the moment. I've been asked a lot of questions about why I'm not trading my 50Ks. There's no real reason other than I'm just so focused on my 150K accounts that I'm just not taking the time to really trade those 50Ks. I want to wait till I request a payout from the 150Ks, and then I'll go back and trade the 50Ks as I wait for that approval. But yeah, very happy with my trading today, and quite frankly, yeah, I could keep trading. There were definitely more setups, but I was like, you know what? It's Friday. Let's just walk away green across the board and call it a day. So that's basically what we're doing this morning. The overnight session, again, my Tradefy accounts, all of those profits came from the overnight session. I basically took a long right here at the 850s and got out some at the 875s, and I took some off at I think it was at the 890s. So very happy with locking in $400 per account on the Tradefy accounts. And then the Apex accounts took our first, it was a pretty crazy, we had a big rip higher at the open, and then we consolidated, and then we had news at 10 o'clock, which I did not think that the news was going to move the market that much, but it was a crazy move lower. And once we broke down below this 820 area right here, I was pretty bearish. I was looking for a short setup, and I took my short setup right here. Basically, when this candle broke this candle, that was actually not technically the correct entry. I had my chart on the 1 minute chart, and it caused me to jump the gun a little bit, and it was pretty scary there for a minute. I had to sit through some drawdown, but I had my stop like above the 800s. It was actually a really difficult trade to be patient. I had multiple times where I was really close to just killing the trade, but I kept telling myself, I like my trade, I like the setup. As long as we don't make a move above the 800s, I feel good about it. And thankfully we did. We broke down. My entry here was at the 763s, and my final profit target was taken at the 700. So 60 points, 240 tick trade. And that is basically where most of my profits came from on these Apex accounts. I did take another trade here, but then I had two losses in a row. And then my final trade was right here, basically for break even. I started to feel myself not allowing my trade to work. I just wasn't trading really well, and I decided, you know what? Time to walk away, lock in the green day, come back on Monday. There's just nothing better than ending the day green on a Friday. It just makes the weekend just so much better. So I decided, you know what? I'm going to do that. We're going to walk away, and we'll be back on Monday. So I hope you guys all had a green day. Yeah, take care, and God bless.